Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today tayo maglalaro ng Garena, which is tatry ko magkaroon ng isang victory o dalawa. Kaya ano pa hinintay natin? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I-ring nyo na rin ang bell button para lagi kayo update sa mga panibago ko video. Alam, yeah. Let's start the video. Oh, hindi pala to video kasi it's a live. It's a live streaming. Yung bakbakan yan, eh. Ayan. Warfare, let's enter. Like this. Wow. Officially, this is my papa's game. Pero ready. King of Hill. Ito ay laro ni Papa. Wow. This is mga medicine. Oh.
Adaptability is the key to success.
Astig to, yan. Confirm. Ayan yung character natin. Ito tayo. Alright. Okrak. King of Hill. And yeah. No one will mess with me. Yeah. Let's go. I think this one. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, let's play. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go. Let's go. Let's lock in lanes.
One by one.
Bro. Atin na yung B. Kaya ba natin makuha yung A? Or B? Hopefully.
We've taken control
Oh,
of
nakuha
Sector
na
Delta.
kalaban ng A. Nakuha na natin C.
We've secured Sector Charlie.
Oh,
Allied forces have taken Objective Charlie.
tayong unang patay. Pagka-shell.
We've taken Sector Bravo.
Kaya ilang tagal natin. Mid-tank. Yeah. Ni-deploy.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking
What?
Medic! I need help!
Layo na medic natin. Let's see. Sunod natin itong ano natin.
The enemy has taken Objective Bravo.
What the? No.
Objective Charlie
Right.
lost. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Echo. The enemy is controlling more sectors
Alright,
than us.
bye.
The
Yeah.
enemy has taken Objective Charlie. Objective Alpha has been eliminated.
Yung,
Barrage ready.
oh,
Allied forces are clearing Objective
Alright.
Echo.
skip up.
Sector Alpha is occupied by enemy forces. Objective Alpha was captured by enemy forces. Allied forces are attacking Objective Charlie.
Oh, but, ano ko naman? Alright.
We have cleared
Ito.
Objective Charlie. Press on.
Go. Try natin magana sa mga spots sa ganyan.
I'm injured. Help me.
Sector Charlie is now under our control. Be advised, our forces have secured Objective Charlie. The enemy has seized control of Sector Bravo. Objective Bravo has been captured by the enemy.
Sa A tayo.
We've secured a 25%
Punta
progress lead on our objective. The advantage is ours.
Thank you.
Oh. I just ran into...
Allied forces are attacking Objective Bravo.
Bro, man.
The enemy is attacking Objective Charlie. The enemy in Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Right.
Enemy down.
We've taken Sector Bravo. Our forces have taken full control of
Let's
Objective
go.
Bravo. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Delta. Allied forces are engaging at
What?
Objective Echo.
Oh. It's alright.
The enemy has taken Objective Charlie. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Delta.
No. I need to leave.
Nice one, mate. Take it back.
This is not good. Oh. No. Right.
Prepping them.
We've secured Sector Charlie. Allied forces have taken Objective Charlie.
I see you.
You take my arm.
Tika. Ano?
Allied forces are engaging at Objective Echo.
Oh. 233. Mas mataas tayo. Oh. Give up.
objective
ng-
Bravo.
Kuwahan ng teritoryo.
Combatants in objective Echo have been eliminated.
Bu-
The enemy has taken objective Bravo.
At least mas mataas pa rin tayo.
Over half of our objectives have been
Patay yan.
achieved. We are in the lead.
Bro, hindi ko ulit
Be
makita yung
advised, enemy troops are attacking
daanan ng...
objective Delta. Majority of sectors are under our control. We've secured Sector Echo.
Yun. No.
The enemy has taken objective Delta. Allied forces are engaging at objective Alpha. The enemy has seized control of Sector Delta. Objective Delta was captured by enemy forces.
Oh, no.
They've reached 50% completion. We're behind. We must
Ooh.
strike back. Allied forces are engaging at objective Delta.
Bro,
Allied forces are engaging at objective
Really?
Delta.
I'm injured! Help me!
help me. Alright. Give up na lang tayo. Boom.
Combatants in objective Delta have been eliminated.
Boom. Help.
We've secured Sector Delta.
Boom.
Our forces have taken
Comfortable
full
ka.
control of objective Delta. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Delta. We've secured Sector Charlie. Our forces have taken full control of objective Charlie.
Boom. Let's go.
The enemy has cleared objective Delta. Our mission is 75% complete. Victory is within our grasp. Objective Delta has been captured by the enemy.
Hostile over there! Take it down!
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Echo. We are on the cusp of victory. Artillery barrage ready.
Pareho pa kayo ah.
Allied forces are attacking objective Delta. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Be advised, the enemy has taken Sector Bravo. The enemy has taken objective Bravo. Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo. Combatants in objective
Ito.
Delta have been eliminated.
Oh. Nasa helicopter kasi kaya.
Much appreciated!
Thank you. What? Oh,
Sector Delta. Our forces have taken full control of
yeah,
objective
yeah, yeah,
Delta.
yeah. Yeah. Ooh, shit.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking
Bro,
objective Alpha.
seriously. Seriously, my dude.
Medic! I'm
Outstanding
here!
performance. The enemy has been
Second round.
defeated.
Let's play a second round. Sabi. Alright. Oh. Alright. 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 Ready? This time, ito naman gamitin natin. Alam niyo, yung mga lumilipad sa bintan, yung ilaw, ayaw niya dumatapo sa akin eh. Hindi naman ako. Alright. %90.
Push forward
Alright.
and secure the objective now. Act swiftly and capture each point one by one.
Jump. Oops.
Sector
Nagpabarila
Alpha
na
is
agad.
under enemy control. We've taken Sector Delta. We've secured Sector Echo. Be advised, our forces have secured Objective Echo. Sector Bravo is now under our control.
Bro, nakita kita. Hindi ko lang ikaw pinansin. Kaya natin bilhin yung gamit niya.
We've taken control of Sector Charlie.
Lol.
The enemy is attacking
Oo,
Objective
ang hirap
Charlie.
ng gamit niya. No. I know. Help! You are a medic. Help me.
Allied
Lo.
forces are attacking Objective Alpha.
Help.
The
Help.
enemy has cleared Objective Charlie.
Yes, come here. Come here.
Stay on target and press the
Ang
advantage.
bagal. Hey!
This is a strong start.
Help!
Under pressure and stay alert. Objective Charlie has been captured by the enemy. Allied forces are clearing Objective Charlie.
Ito na lang.
The enemy has
Eloy.
taken Objective Echo.
What?
combatants in Objective Charlie have been eliminated.
Right.
May nasa likod mo pa.
We've taken Sector Charlie. Allied forces have taken Objective Charlie.
What the?
Sector Echo is now under our control.
Whirlwind disc release.
Hmm? Oh. Nakita kita. Para mag-ayos.
The enemy has taken Objective Echo. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Alpha. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Alpha. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking The enemy has taken Objective Bravo. Over half of our objectives have been achieved. We are in
What?
the lead. Objective
I need
Bravo
to
was
find
captured by enemy
kung nasan
forces.
yun.
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Delta. Brother! We have cleared Objective Alpha. Press on. Allied forces are engaging at Objective Bravo.
Oh.
Taking control of Sector Alpha. Be advised, our
May
forces have
tumatama
secured
dito pero hindi
Objective
siya
Alpha.
nakabaril. Siya nakapatay sa akin pero hindi siya naka... Sino naman nandito sa akin? Thank you a lot.
Attacking Objective Echo. The enemy in Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Yeah. Ano, sweetheart?
Very well,
We've taken control of Sector Delta. Be advised, our forces have secured Objective Delta.
Dito pala yung pila niya sa geta.
Changing back.
We've taken Sector Charlie. The enemy has taken Objective Alpha. Sector Bravo is now under our control. Allied forces have taken Objective Bravo.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Our mission is 75% complete. Victory is within our grasp. The enemy
Panalo
has
tayo.
taken Objective Alpha.
Hey,
The enemy has
I see
taken
some
Objective
enemy up
Bravo.
top. I see enemy up top. No!
Allied forces
Fudge!
are engaging at Objective Echo.
What the?
Medic!
Heed! kung nandito yung
Enemy has taken objective Delta. Sector Bravo is under enemy control. Allied forces are
Bro.
attacking objective Bravo. Combat
na
objective Echo have been eliminated. We've taken Sector Echo. Be advised, our forces have secured objective Echo. The enemy has taken objective Charlie.
bro. Serious.
Sector Charlie is occupied by enemy forces. Offensive.
Wala namang kwenta yung mga
Now
medic.
under enemy control.
Wala namang mga kwenta yung medic natin.
Combatants in objective Alpha have been eliminated.
Huh? Sino yung tao dito?
We've gained the lead in the number of captured sectors. Be advised,
Yung
enemy
isang
are
one shot lang
attacking
kami.
objective Echo. Allied forces are engaging at objective Charlie. Enemy attacking objective Echo.
Bro!
Enemy has cleared objective Alpha.
90 days!
The enemy has seized control of Sector Alpha. Objective Alpha was captured by enemy forces.
Pag napuno na natin ang ating bar, panalo na tayo.
Combatants in objective Charlie have been eliminated.
Whatever to get
Bro!
Taken Sector Echo. Be advised, our forces have secured objective Echo. Sector Charlie is now under our control. Our forces have taken full control. Outstanding performance. The enemy has been defeated.
So, dito ko na muna tatapusan ng video. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I-ring niyo na rin ang bell button para lagi kayo updated sa panibago nating video. Yeah. Boing, 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 boing.